How to hide subscribers in YouTube. Open YouTube, click on your profile photo once. Later, click on YouTube Studio. On the left side, you will see Settings. Click on it. Later, click on the channel. Now, click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down a little. Now you will see a display of number of people subscribed to my channel. Just uncheck this. Before uncheck, I wanna show you my channel with subscribers count. Currently, I have 14.5k subscribers. Okay, let me uncheck the box and click on Save. Now the settings has been saved. Let me refresh my channel page to see my count. Now my channel subscriber count has been hidden.